Welcome to a quick guide on composite restoration, also known as tooth-colored filling, a dental procedure that can repair decayed, chipped, or discolored teeth. Composite restoration, also known as tooth-colored filling, is a dental procedure that uses a tooth-colored composite resin material to restore the tooth's shape, function, and appearance. The process involves numbing the area around the affected tooth, removing the damaged portion, and applying layers of composite resin. Each layer is cured with a special light, bonding the material to the tooth. Composite fillings blend with the natural tooth color, offering an aesthetically pleasing result. They require less removal of healthy tooth structure compared to amalgam fillings and bond directly to the tooth, providing added support. However, their durability may vary in high-pressure areas and depend on factors like filling size, location, oral hygiene, and biting forces. Despite varying durability, composite restorations remain popular for their ability to restore both function and aesthetics to teeth.